Good afternoon, teachers, and welcome to our Let Review 2023. In this video, I will be presenting to you 50 questions on social science or social studies and its related topics. Okay, so let's begin. Question number one. This legislation outlaws computer hacking and provides opportunities for new businesses emerging from the internet driven new economy. A. Philippine Clean Air Act, B. Magna Carta for Science and Technology Personnel, C. Electronic Commerce Act of 2000, and D. The Intellectual Property Code of the Philippines. The answer is letter C. Electronic Commerce Act of 2000. Number two, under whose administration wherein the science and technology sector of the Philippines was dubbed as the golden age of science and technology? A. President Joseph Estrada, B. President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, C. President Rodrigo Duterte, and D. President Bongbong Marcos. The answer is letter B. Okay? President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Okay. So question number three. This was this was the coined term used in helping the Philippines to be an innovation hub in Asia during President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo's term. A. Philippine 2000, B. Filipino First, C. Filipinovation, and D. Golden Age of the Philippines. Ang sagot ay letter C. Filipinovation. Number four, he was considered as the father of organic agriculture. A. President Benigno Aquino III, B. President Ramon Magsaysay, C. President Fidel Ramos, and D. President Rodrigo Duterte. The answer is letter A. Okay, President Benigno Aquino III. Number five, it is the period known as the rebirth of knowledge. A. Bronze Age, B. Medieval Age, C. Renaissance Era, and D. Modern Era. Ang sagot ay letter C. Renaissance Era. The rebirth of knowledge. Number six, he was the first to use modern scientific methods based on experiment and testable observation. A. Socrates, B. Galileo, C. Euclid, and D. Archimedes. The answer is letter B. Galileo. Number seven, he is considered as the most famous scientist of the 20th century. A. Isaac Newton, B. Copernicus, C. Galileo, and D. Albert Einstein. The answer is letter D. Albert Einstein. Number 8. Considered as the sophisticated product of engineering by the pre-Spanish Filipinos. A. The Banawe rice terraces. B. Underground river in Palawan. C. Boracay. And D. Batanes rolling hills. The answer is letter A. The Banawe rice terraces. Number 9. The president who helped establish the Department of Science and Technology or DOST is A. Corazon Aquino, B. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, C. Fidel Ramos, and D. Benigno Aquino. The answer is letter A. Corazon Aquino. Number 9. This is a concept created by Aristotle which describes the highest good of human attempt to achieve his or her goal. A. Human development, B. Human flourishing, C. Human evolution, and D. Human advancement. The answer is letter B. Human flourishing. Number 11. This belief aims that comfort, pleasure, and wealth are the only highest goals. A. Hedonism, B. Stoicism, C. Humanism, and D. Materialism. The answer is letter D. Materialism. Number 12. Who is the father of information age? A. Blair Pascal, D. Claude Shannon, C. Alexander Graham, and D. Charles Babbage. Ang sagot is letter B, Claude Shannon. Okay. So number 13. Okay. So which of the following nitrogen base is not found in DNA? A. Thymine, B. Cytosine, C. Guanine, and D. Uracil. The answer is letter D. Uracil. Number 14. It is a variety of life that make up our natural world. A. Vertebrates, B. Pollution, C. Biodiversity, and D. Abiotic factor. The answer is letter C. Biodiversity. Number 15. The following people have contributed to the growth and study of the nano world except A. Eric Drexler, B. Gerd Binnig, C. Richard Feynman, and D. Charles Babbage. The answer is letter D. Charles Babbage. Number 16. He was the first to manipulate atoms using a scanning tunneling microscope in 1989. A. Gerd Binnig, B. Heinrich Rohrer, C. Christopher Gerber, and D. Don Eigler. The answer is letter D. Don Eigler. 17. It is a phenomenon that refers to the increase in Earth's temperature. A. Sustainability, B. Global warming, C. Climate change, and D. Deforestation. The answer is letter B. Global warming, the increase in Earth's temperature. Number 18. Greenhouse gases that contribute to the greenhouse effect include A. Water vapor, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide. B. Water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide. C. Carbon dioxide, methane, argon, nitrous oxide. D. Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, oxygen. The answer is letter B. Okay? Greenhouse gases that contribute to the greenhouse effect include this: water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. 19. What greenhouse gas is released into the atmosphere from burning of fossil fuels? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Nitrogen oxide, C. Oxygen, and D. Water vapor. The answer is letter A. Carbon dioxide. Number 20. Where did the earliest record of science come from? A. China, B. India, C. Rome, and D. Mesopotamia. Okay. The answer is letter D. Okay? Mesopotamia. Number 21. Who is the founder of modern geometry? A. Archimedes, B. Euclid, C. Socrates, and D. Plato. Okay? The answer is letter B. Euclid. 22. Who is the founder of engineering mechanics? 22. Who is the founder of engineering mechanics? A. Archimedes, B. Euclid, C. Socrates, and D. Plato. The answer is letter A. Archimedes. He is the founder of engineering mechanics. 23. What is the most outstanding development in science and technology in Egypt? A. Hieroglyphics, B. Sundial, C. Pyramids, and D. Calendar. The answer is pyramids. Number 24. He helped define the laws of gravity and planetary motion. A. Albert Einstein, B. Galileo Galilei, C. Isaac Newton, and D. Alexander Fleming. The answer is letter C. Isaac Newton. Okay, he helped define the laws of gravity and planetary motion. 25. It is a set of assumptions for a possible explanation of certain facts that are conditionally accepted. A. Observation. B. Hypothesis. C. Experiment. And D. Theories. The answer is letter B. Hypothesis. Okay? Number 26. Which civilization emerged near the Tigris and Euphrates River? A. Romanian, B. Indian, C. Mesopotamian, and D. Greek. The answer is letter C. Mesopotamian. Number 27. What civilization developed a system of writing using symbols called hieroglyphics? A. Sumerian, B. Babylonian, D. Greek, and C. Egyptian. The answer is Egyptian. Letter. Okay, so this is letter C. Okay, so 28. During the term of President Corazon Aquino, this act opened the free education at the secondary level. A. RA 19844. B. RA 6655, C. RA 9367, and D. RA 8749. The answer is letter B. RA 6655. 29. It is the intellectual and practical activity encompassing the systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation and experiment. A. History. B. Science. C. Astrology. And D. Mathematics. The answer is letter B. Science. 30. Who said genius is 1% talent and 99% hard work? A. Thomas Edison. B. Albert Einstein. C. Marie Curie. And D. Isaac Newton. The answer is letter B. Albert Einstein. He once said that genius is 1% talent and 99% hard work. 31. Who wrote The Republic? A. Aristotle. B. Ptolemy, C. Plato, and D. Epicurus. The answer is Plato or Plato, okay? Either way. So, number 32, an ancient Greek philosopher who was one of the first to declare that what makes life worth living is that we can experience pleasure. A. Aristotle, B. Plato, C. Ptolemy, and D. Epicurus. The answer here is Epicurus, okay? Pleasure. 33. The following people contributed in the invention of the first television except A. Paul Gottlieb Nipkow, B. Alan Archibald Campbell Swenton, C. Boris Rosing, and D. Martin Cooper. The answer is Martin Cooper. Okay, except tong tanong dito. Okay, so the following A to C has contributed in the invention of the first television, except kay Martin Cooper. Number 34, it is considered as a Hispanic period in the 21st century characterized by the rapid shift from traditional industry: A. Iron Age, B. Stone Age, C. Information Age, and D. Heroic Age. This is letter C. Our answer is letter C. Information Age. 35. A Polish astronomer who proposed that the sun, not the earth, was at the center of the universe. A. Ptolemy, B. Nicholas Copernicus, C. Aristotle, and D. Galileo Galilei. The answer is Nicholas Copernicus. 36. When did the computer age or new media age started? Okay, A. 1970s, B. 1980s, C. 1990s, and D. 2000. The answer is letter A. 1970s. 37. What are four periods of the information age? A. Pre-mechanical. One is pre-mechanical, two is mechanical, three is post-mechanical, and four electromechanical, and fifth electronic information. The answer is letter B. Okay, one, two, four, and five. Okay, so the four periods of the information age is pre-mechanical, two is mechanical, fourth is electromechanical, and fifth electronic information. 38. What was the deadliest storm on record in the Philippines? A. Odette, B. Yolanda, C. Lando, and D. Ruping. The answer is letter B. Yolanda. 39. When illness threatened the life of the Tingwans of Abra, they observed this ritual. A. Dawak, B. Bawi, C. Hinaklaran, and D. Anituan. The answer is letter B. Bawi. 40. The following are tribes who lived in the mountain province except A. Ibaloy, B. Bontoks, C. Kankanay, and D. Manubo. The answer is letter D. Manubo, except. So this A, B, and C has lived no in the mountain province except the Manubo. 41. Who is known as the Great Plebeian? A. Jose Rizal, B. Emilio Aguinaldo, C. Emilio Jacinto, and D. Andres Bonifacio. The answer is letter D. Andres Bonifacio. 42. A famous Filipino sculptor who designed the Bonifacio Monument in Caloocan City. A. Guillermo Tolentino, B. Richard Kisling, C. Napoleon Abueva, and D. Eduardo Castillo. Ang sagot is letter A, Guillermo Tolentino. Okay, he designed the Bonifacio Monument in Caloocan City. 43. This place became a vital combat zone between the Japanese Imperial Army and the Allied force during the Second World War II and was the last stronghold to fall into the hands of Japanese forces. A. Corregidor, B. Intramuros, C. The Aguinaldo Shrine, and D. Bataan. The answer is letter A. Corregidor. Number 44. What is the name of the band that played the Philippine national anthem? A. Philippine Constabulary Band, B. Juan de la Cruz Band, C. The Magdalo Band, and D. San Francisco de Malabon Band. The answer is letter D. San Francisco de Malabon Band. Number 45. This is the center of the country's Independence Day commemoration every June or 12 of June. Okay? A. Aguinaldo Shrine, B. Corregidor, C. Lunita Park, and D. Fort Santiago. The answer is letter A. Aguinaldo Shrine. 46. This is where the American flag was raised on August 13, 1898, to signify the start of American rule. A. Aguinaldo Shrine, B. Corregidor, C. Lunita Park, and D. Fort Santiago. The answer is letter D. Fort Santiago. Okay, so it is here. It is where the American flag was raised on August 13, 1898, to signify the start of American rule. 47. Who designed the Rizal Monument? A. Guillermo Tolentino, B. Richard Kisling, C. Napoleon Abueva, and D. Eduardo Castillo. Ang sagot is letter B. Richard Kisling. 48. This is considered as the leading historical shrine in the country and a memorial to the country's national hero. A. Lapu-Lapu Shrine, B. Bonifacio Monument, C. Magellan Shrine, and D. Rizal Monument. The answer is letter D. Okay. Sorry, this is letter D. D. Rizal Monument. Number 49. This is a type of museum that teaches us to learn from our mistakes, to have a glimpse of the old life, to learn about the past, and to know our cultural heritage. A. Science museums. B. Art museums. C. Technology museums. And D. History museums. The answer is letter D. History museums. The last number, number 50. What is the largest museum in the world, which was originally the Palace of Versailles, made for King Louis the 14th in the 1600s? Okay, A. Vatican Museums, B. The British Museum, C. The Louvre Museum, and D. National Museum. The answer is the Louvre Museum. Okay, so this would be all for today. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope that you play this question over and over again so you will really familiarize the answers of those questions being presented. And once again, I wish you all good luck and God bless on your upcoming exam this coming March 19, 2023. So, good luck, everyone. And I really prayed that you all will pass in the said examination. So, thank you so much and have a great day.